Yay! The summer break started, school is over, and now I have 3 months where I can play all day long. Yay! Daddy, let's go! I can't wait to see a big excavator. Alright, Peppa, let's go. Wow, that's such a big truck, Daddy. But what's inside? Look, there's a front loader. There's a big one. And there's a little one there. Oh, and there's another even smaller one in the back. Daddy, look in the truck. I think there's another bulldozer in there. Yes, Peppa, I see it. Daddy, can we watch the truck unload all these tractors and front loaders? Yes, Peppa. Just move to the side, okay? Okay, Daddy. Shh. And now the truck is gonna put down the ramp. So here's the front loader, just got off the truck. The little tractor loader. And the little tractor loader is gonna go next to the front loader here. Hello, can I park next to you? Yes, you may. So now we have 2 front loaders that came off the big truck. But wait, there's one front loader left on the truck. I think we're gonna have to lower the ramp for this one, so let's do that. There we go. So now we can actually drive down. It's gonna lift the scoop and then there it comes down. Wow, it's a really nice front loader. Look at the scoop here in the front. You can raise it all the way. And you can also turn it like this. So now it's gonna go park next to the truck. Woo. Hey little guys, make room. So now let's unload the last one. So we're gonna have to raise the ramp so the other one can come out. So this is a caterpillar plow. Look at this. It's got a big plow in the front. Big truck is gonna leave now. It unloaded all the equipment. Look at all these trucks and bulldozers. I like them. They're so cool. Look how big they are. Look at the little one. And let's not forget about the one in the back. Daddy, they're so cool. Hey, there's another one coming.
Caterpillar power. Caterpillar power.
Look, this one has a loader in the front. and has a trencher in the back. Look how the arm moves. Up and down, up and down. Let's put this one down. There we go. I'm ready to dig a trench. Daddy, look! There's some buttons here on top of the tractor. Can I press them? Go ahead, Peppa. Wow, that was so cool, Daddy. This was Disney Toys Review. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and stay tuned on this channel for more exciting videos.